Hey everybody, welcome to Kevin's Auto Channel. I hope you are having a great day today. I apologize, it's been a while since I posted a video. My mom, she took a turn for the worst and ended up in the coronary care unit of the hospital, and unfortunately she passed away Wednesday, and we had the funeral yesterday. So I've been dealing with that. So I know she's in a better place, and I know she's not suffering anymore. And I know she would want me to move on. So so that's what I'm gonna do. As you can see, I am still in the Silverado. It's getting close to 1 month. I believe Wednesday will be the 1 month mark. I called them last Tuesday for an update while I was at the hospital with my mom, and they told me that, basically it was still in body work, which to tell you this part, the car did not go into body work officially until like a week and a half ago. So they're dragging this thing out. My insurance will quit covering the rental Wednesday, the 30th. So it's supposed to go into paint this coming week. So I'm hoping I get it back by Wednesday before I lose the rental car or truck. So that's where I'm at. I'm starting to get frustrated with them because they are dragging their feet so much. I don't know if they are because it is an insurance claim, or if they're that backed up. I've been in line. I had an appointment to go in. I'm not exactly sure why it is taking so long, but unfortunately it is. So I'll be honest with you. I know I'm wanting to get rid of the Honda, but I actually miss the Honda, and this is why. This Silverado is really drinking gas, even more so than I remember my F-150s drinking gas. This 5.3 Vortec engine is a very thirsty engine, and it didn't help. My mom was in the hospital in Greenville, so I was traveling, probably 60 miles a day, going back and forth to the hospital in the morning and at night. So, I know that doesn't help any, but still, most of that was highway miles, and it still is drinking gas like crazy. So, in that sense, I do miss my Honda. And it's not a bad car. Don't get me wrong. I'm just, like I said in a previous video, I'm used to either a truck or a muscle car. I've had 2 F-150s, and I've had 2 Mustangs and a Challenger. So that's what I'm used to driving. And like I said before, going from a Challenger RT with a 5.7 Hemi to a Honda Accord with a 1.5 turbo is like going from a Harley Davidson motorcycle to a moped. It's just, there's a big gap in the power. But you make up for the power by getting better gas mileage. So, it's give and take. It's whatever you prefer. Unfortunately, if they did come out with a V8 that got great gas mileage, 30 miles to a gallon, Honda does, it would probably be like the gas wars back in the, late 70s and early 80s. The car wouldn't have much power. So it's give and take, and until the technology gets to where, and it has gotten a lot better, used to, back in the 60s and 70s when you had those big, 440s and 383s and big 426 Hemis and all the big block V8s, you didn't get great gas mileage back then, and it has improved over time. You've gone from like 10 miles to the gallon back then to, you can get in the low 20s on a new Mustang now. So, I mean, it has improved, don't get me wrong, but, it's not the same gas mileage of a little engine, a little 4-cylinder Toyota or Honda or something like that. So, yeah, that's, yeah, I'm starting to ramble. I'm sorry. But, yeah, I just wanted to give you an update of what's going on. Why I haven't posted in a while. I'm going to miss Mom a lot. And, I'm 30 years old and, I've had her for 30 years and now I don't have her anymore. So, yeah, that's the hard part, not knowing that I can't talk to her anymore. So, but we will move on. That's what she would want. She would want me to keep going, be strong. So that's what I'm going to do. So I hope you have a great day today, and I will see you in the next one.